Welcome class. Hope you all are in good health. Students, in this video we will do exercise of chapter number 20, the participle. Students, participle is a word which is partly a verb and partly an adjective in its use. Now students, let's start with its first exercise. In first exercise, we have to pick out the participles in each of the following sentences. Tell whether it is a present or past participle and how it is used. Students, please open your books on the exercise of this chapter to see the questions. First sentence is, seeing the wicked man, I ran into the house. In this sentence, seeing is present participle and it is used to express an earlier action. Second, being disappointed, he jumped into the well. In this sentence, being is a present participle and it is used to form passive voice. Third, this is a haunted house. Haunted is past participle and it is used as an adjective before the noun house. A rolling stone gathers no moss. Here rolling is a present participle and it is used as an adjective before the noun stone. Students, in this exercise I will explain a few sentences. Now sentence number 9. The train arriving now is Rajdhani. Arriving is a present participle and it is used as an adjective phrase for the noun train. Now sentence number 12. We found the child crying. Crying is a present participle. It is used as an object complement placed after the object child. Now last sentence of this exercise. Taking his walking stick, he went for a walk. Here taking is present participle and it is used to express an earlier action of the same subjects. Students, use of participles already we have discussed in last chapter and according to that please do this exercise. Students, now exercise 2. In this exercise we have to combine the pairs of sentences by making use of participles. First sentence is, we started in the morning, we arrived at midnight. Students, we started will be changed into starting. Starting in the morning, comma, we arrived at midnight. Second, we met a boy, he was carrying a heavy bag. We met a boy carrying a heavy bag. He was carrying will be changed into boy carrying a heavy bag. Third, I took pity on the man, I gave him some money. Took pity will be changed into taking pity. Taking pity on the man, I gave him some money. Fourth, the house was decorated with lights. It looked beautiful. Decorated with lights, comma, the house looked beautiful. Fifth, the robbers saw the policeman. They ran away. Saw the policeman will be changed into seeing the policeman, comma, the robbers ran away. 6. Monica knew the answer. She put up her hand. Knew the answer will be changed as knowing the answer. Knowing the answer, comma, Monica put up her hand. 7th, I found the door open. I went inside. Found the door open will be changed into finding the door open, comma, I went inside. Now, 8th sentence, the police saw the body. It was floating down the river. The body floating down the river was seen by the police. 9th, he ate his breakfast. He was reading the paper. Here we will use while reading the paper, comma, he ate his breakfast. Now next sentence, he felt hungry. He went on eating. Felt hungry will be changed into feeling hungry. Feeling hungry, comma, he went on eating. Next, they reached home. They went to bed immediately. Reached home will be changed into reaching. Reaching home, comma, they went to bed immediately. Next, he won a lottery. He bought a car. Won a lottery will be changed into winning a lottery. Winning a lottery, comma, he bought a car. Students, now third exercise. In this exercise, we have to correct the incorrect sentences. Students, before I start exercise, let me remind one thing. It is rule that keep the participle phrase as near as possible to the noun or pronoun it qualifies. Means while doing a correction, take care that participle phrase must be near to the noun or pronoun. First sentence is, being the only candidate, I appointed Mr. Seal to the post. It will be he being the only candidate. In place of being the only candidate, add he in the beginning. He being the only candidate, comma, I appointed Mr. Seal to the post. Second, sitting on the grass, a snake bit him. This sentence can be corrected in two different ways. First is, while he was sitting on the grass, comma, a snake bit him, or it can be sitting on the grass, comma, he was bitten by a snake. In second sentence, passive form is used, and in first pattern, noun or pronoun that is placed nearer the participle. Third, being a very cold day, I remained in bed. Again, before being, add it. It being a very cold day, I remained in bed. Fourth, meeting my friend in the club, he told me everything. Write down first part as it is and afterwards put comma. I was told everything by him. Means in passive form. Going up the hill, an old grave was seen. This sentence also can be corrected in two different ways. First, while he was going up the hill, comma, an old grave was seen, means in this pattern we have put pronoun near the participle, and the other is going up the hill, comma, he saw an old grave. 6. Observing the canal rising, a gang of laborers was sent for. Observing the canal rising, comma, he sent for a gang of laborers. 7th, hearing that there was a vacancy, an application was sent by me. Hearing that there was a vacancy, comma, I sent an application. Last, joining the post immediately, they rewarded him. Joining the post immediately, comma, he was rewarded by them. Students, please do all these sentences in your fair notebook. Students, here I have written a few sentences with some instructions. Please try to solve all these sentences, and students, whatever the questions I have asked here, in question paper you will get questions in this style. So please try to do these by yourself. Note down in your fair notebook, and also do exercise 4B of chapter transformation of sentences. In active passive, one exercise is left. Please do that also. Thank you and take care.